Want to know the HP of vehicle in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn on vehicle HP in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by clicking on the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then search for vehicle settings on the left side of your screen. After that, click on it. Now scroll down to Vehicle HP. Below Vehicle HP, there is On button. Tap on it. And that's how you can turn on Vehicle HP in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.